What's up, guys? Today we're making a 1.18 texture pack. Made one for 1.17, 1.16, but the new 1.18 version has been out for a little bit now, and people are probably switching to that, so I should probably make an update tutorial on it. So the first thing you're gonna need is to head to your browser over here, and you get 7zip, 7zip.org, link in description. Just download the Windows EXE because this is how you're gonna extract your files. Next thing you need is make sure you have some sort of paint software like Paint 3D or Paint.net, anything to actually edit the textures with. You can just use MS Paint if you want. It doesn't matter. I like to use Paint.net. Link to that will be in the description. It's completely free and open source, so yeah, no cost to you. Next thing you need is obviously Minecraft Java Edition. Because if you don't have Minecraft Java, you obviously can't make a texture pack for it. Well, you could, but why would you do that? You can't even use it. Our first thing you want to do is open up your files, and then go to %, app data %. In here, it'll have .minecraft. Now, you may have been in here before to put in resource packs or shaders or mods or anything. Basically, this holds your Minecraft versions, or the versions right here. And just pick the newest version. It doesn't matter if it's Optifine or not. Just pick 1.18.1 or 1.18, whatever you're making it for. And when you go in here, oh, this is the preview. This is not the right one. I'm just going to use the Optifine one here. So once you go in here, it's going to have a jar file. I'm just going to go to Documents and make a folder. So go to New Folder. I'm going to call it just Resource Pack. We're going to head into the folder and we're going to paste, Control V, paste that version in here. Now we're going to want to right click on it, do 7zip, and click extract here. Okay, and now once you have everything extracted, you want to do Control A to select everything. You want to hold on Control and click assets, so it does not have, you want assets to be selected. And you're just going to want to quickly press the delete key and delete everything else here but the assets folder. We want to keep the assets. The cool thing about the assets folder in here is it has all of everything set up. It has all of these folders set up, so we don't have to set them up ourselves, and it's going to have every single vanilla texture in it for you to just go in and edit. So you want to just go into assets, go to Minecraft, then go to textures. When you're in here, you can see what you want to edit. So you want to edit a block, you do block. You want to edit an item, you can do item. Like some things in here, there's like two of, like there's the item, like the diamond armor item, and then in models, there's the armor model that's actually on the player. So just for simplicity's sake, we're gonna edit an item. And let's just do diamond sword. So you want to search up diamond_sword, and then you don't want to click on it. You just want to click enter. So you're going to right click, so you open with, you can pick whatever you want. Normally you use like Paint.net or Aseprite. I'm just going to go with Paint.net for the video, so you guys have something to follow along with if you got Paint.net in the description. But you should be able to figure this out on a different paint software, especially if you're familiar with it. So if you zoom in, you're going to notice that this is it's pixels, right? It's only 16 by 16 pixels. I don't want to update. So we're going to pick the pencil tool, and it's going to go pixel by pixel while drawing. So I just drew there. And basically, you can completely edit it right here and completely change it however you'd like by just drawing on it. You can pick color over here. You can edit it in more detail. Just stick with the pencil tool. If you don't like something, you can Control Z, or you can use the eraser tool. But you want to make sure that you click this to turn off anti-aliasing and make the brush with 1. So when you delete stuff, it only deletes one block. So yeah. That's how you're gonna edit the texture, and you can obviously, there's probably tutorials out there on how to actually use Paint.net if you want to use this, or you could just use a program you're already used to, like Photoshop or something. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly edit this texture, and then I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, I just finished editing the diamond sword here, and it's just like this green sword type thing. I basically kept like the same like scheme, but I changed the colors. You can like obviously change the scheme, make it look however you want. Use like other texture packs out there for reference, and you can even change the size instead of just doing 16 by 16 to 32 by 32. You can not even use the same file. You can use a different file, whatever. The only thing you need to do is make sure that the file is still named Diamond Sword up here in the top left. And just do File, Save, Not Save As. Go OK. And then now to make sure it works, you click that Diamond Sword texture. It's gonna be green. Wow. Alright, now that we've edited something, you obviously can edit everything you want, but we have our pack now. Pretty cool. We obviously want to be able to see it in game, right? So to do that, we're going to need to go back to Resource Pack here and Assets. And I want to make a new text document. Don't worry about naming it now. Just make a new text document. Alright, I'm on an old video here because we're going to want to copy this. This will be in the description of this video, but I'm just copying it from right here. So we're going to grab this, and we're going to want to go on this text document and paste it. Now basically all this means is for the pack, we need to have a format. So the format here, for 1.18, is 8. So just remove that text and put an 8 here, and comma. And for the description, anything inside these quotation marks would be a description. Let's just say cool new pack, right? Whatever you want to write. Then you can just do File, Save As. And you're going to want to rename this text document. But first thing you want to do, change the save type to all files, and rename it pack.mcmeta. You have to name it exactly this. No caps, no space. Pack.mcmeta. And now you can delete this old text document. Minecraft will be able to read this. And optionally, if you want to add like a picture, because you know when resource packs pop up, there's like an image to go along with it. You just need to take a PNG, put it in here. I think it has to be square ratio, so 1:1. It's like 100 by 100 or 200 by 200. And then just name it pack.png. Make sure it's a PNG file. And you can use that as your picture for the Minecraft pack. But this is all you have to do, and you have a working resource pack. But there's one more step, so you can actually put it in our game. You're going to want to take everything inside this resource pack folder, and you want to highlight it all. Right click, use 7-zip, and click Add to Archive. This is going to compress it into a zip file. You don't want to change anything. I know this is all kind of overwhelming, but you want to head over to Archive Format. Make sure that by default, this should be 7Z, I'm pretty sure. Make sure it's zip, or else Minecraft won't be able to read it. So name it zip, and I'll just rename it to cool_pack. And it's going to put it as a .zip, and just go OK, and wait for it to compress. Shouldn't take too long. Okay, now it's compressed. You have a zip file right here. I'm just gonna right click it and just cut it. And we're gonna head back to that app data. So %, app data, %, click enter. I'm gonna head back into .minecraft. This time go to resource packs and just paste it in the folder right here. And once you do that, you're ready to boot up Minecraft. Alright, now we're in Minecraft, and I'm in 1.18 right now with Optifine. Doesn't matter with Optifine without it's a resource pack. We have the option to your resource packs, and you see it shows up right here. We got cool_pack.zip. So we're gonna click this area to put it over, so it's selected, and it'll be activated in game. Click done, and it should load up here. There's gonna have a gray screen in the background. I don't know why it does this. There's probably a way to fix it if you just do some googling. But it doesn't change anything in the actual game. So we're gonna create a new world right here. We'll call it test pack. And we'll just go creative and just make a board real quick. Okay, so now we're in a brand new Minecraft world. And to test this works, we're just gonna head to the menu here, search up Diamond Sword, and boom, look at that. Our Diamond Sword. It's green. That's how we made it in the editor. And obviously you can edit any texture you want in the entirety of Minecraft. You can even edit the languages and make your own language pack. Thank you guys for watching the video, and please subscribe. I'll see you guys later.